What's up, guys? Today I'm going to play Super Tag with my cousin Lucas again. Well, I don't actually haven't played this with a video on, so yeah. So yeah, I'm not actually editing right now. So yeah. So I'm a tagger. Why is my mouse not working? Come on, my mouse is not working. Come on, mouse, please work. Mousey. Mouse! Ay, kumana. My mouse is not working. It's just not better than I don't really know what. There are like there are abilities. There's Sleep. It's the first ability. Sleep, Fireball, Barrier, Playground, Pulse, Void Slash. There are auras. We really want to get blue. Magkano yung mouse mo? Oh. Wait. Nope. Sorry. I'm not gonna get tagged today. I'm super laggy. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, nope, no! Ay, ba kumana ng mouse dito sa atin? Hindi talaga gumagana. Bakit? Gana? Wait lang nga, Lucas. Rejoin ako ah. Wait lang. Tapos ng round na ito. Hindi mo nga, wala akong makita. Nas. Hindi ko magalaw. So apparently my cousin is trying to chase me. Ow. Oh, I'm lagging so much. Ow. Nangalid na. But ayaw. Ayaw magano. Huh? Number? Kaya pa mag left click? Right click? But how? I literally touched him. How? There you go. Bro, I can't shift lock. I don't know why. Ow. Yes. What do you mean your daily reward? Your daily reward isn't already yet. What do you mean by that? You can't even play the game that correctly, bro. So there's this higher reach. I already got the level. Bro, ano ba yan? Hindi talaga magano. Ay, naku. Hindi ko magana yung mouse key. Mahuli talaga ako. Hindi ako sanay nang walang ano. First person, perang dyan. La! Yun. Ow! What? How did I fall? Bro, I can't even reach my camera. Pa naman yung tayo gumana? Mismo ano. Hirap kaya po gamitin yung mismo screen. Ayun. Blue aura. La. Gusto nga blue void eh. Okay. Okay lang. Paano ka nakakuha ng 1,000? Hindi. Kita kita eh. Meron ka na agad pera eh. Nagano ka lang eh. Naglaro ka lang isang game. Nakita kita eh. Meron ka raming agad pera eh. Okay. Save yung kaso. That's Lucas. He's hiding behind the red thing. What? He didn't get tagged by it? Ewan ko. Hanapin mo nga ako. Take a look around you. How did I get tagged? I literally just jumped. Paano na-tag? Paano ako na-tag? Paano ako na-tag? How did I get tagged? Huh? Yun. Natag pa rin! I tagged you, Lucas. Look around you, Lucas. Nilag nga ako, diba? Paano makakapaglaro ng time bomb duels? Dito nga, nahihirapan na nga ako eh. Paano pa yun? Paano noob? Hindi nga gumagana yung ano ko, yung C-block. Ay no, hindi ako nakakamove. Hindi ako nakakamove ng camera. Kailangan pang mag-left click tsaka or ano, right click. Hala. Bakit ganito? Ito nangyari? Ha? Ha? Saan? Okay. Good. Good! Noon na. Nangyari ba tayo? Iba lang tayo laro. Hindi naman makasiplock. Ewan ko bakit. Ewan ko. Okay, save the people. Oh. Yeah. Guys, this is Parry Fling. I totally lied to Lucas. Anyways, this is how you play it. You go up here, and then... Wait. No, Lucas, I hate that game. It's Louis Gamer cool. Finally, my shift lock's working. No! No! Strat. Best strat, I mean. Ah! How did I not reach? I don't know if like copyrighted or something. I won't risk it, guys. There you go. Then I go here. No! No! Okay, guys, let me just... Let's land in... Let's go to... Tower of increasing altitude. didn't get past. Wait. Wait, I just realized. Huh? Basta! Mamaya pakita ko sa'yo kapag naglaro tayo. Pero, anin ko muna to, tong Parifling. Tapos ko muna tong Abby, tas, join ako sa'yo. Laro tayo ng, tawag dito, ang tawag dyan, sa laro yan? Save the people. Kaya nga. Let's do this, bro. Tara. Good. So, mo ako sa skills ko. Tagal na akong di nag-aabi, Lucas. Wait lang. Pew! Let's go! Ha? Tingnan mo to, Lucas. Tingnan mo to. What? Dito mga bayan, pangit. Dito kaya tayo sa... There you go, and then I go here. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Lucas, huwag mong galawin. I can double jump. No! 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 Wait, what if I just... Okay, I can't do it. Wait. Just do it. What? How did I not double jump? Ba't di na double jump? No! No! Not... What? Ha? What? No! Woo! Okay. I'm over here. Wait. What if I just... Wait lang. Dito. Ano? Dito talaga siya malagpas. Hindi. Dito ako. Ay naku, mahulog pa. Dito ako. Hitbox displacement. Iniisip ng Roblox data na nasa taas na ako, pero yung pala nasa baba na ako. Nasa baba lang pala talaga ako. Okay, never mind. I just go here. And then we go here. I can't climb this. We just risk it and then wait, let me try it. No! Woo! Okay. Let's go over here. What is bro doing over there? How did I fall there? I'm free. Let's go! I did it! I'm at the top. For what? What's the purpose of winning? Is it for fun? for just for fun. 6, 7. Yo, I just did a chain! Wait, I have an idea, I have an idea, I have an idea. And while I do the chain. What? Okay, since I've already finished the obby, let's go and join my little cousin Lucas. Lucas. So where is it? Savedap. Savez Eopl e. Save the people. I already got this, little bro. I got 8 days. Oh yeah. So I got 21. Oh. Classes. What are the classes I can get? Scavenger. Oh. Yeah. To be honest, I really like the firefighter, but I want the engineer more. But it's useless. Just like the name engineer. I want the preacher though. Also, look at this. Alright, just get this. What? There you go. Then badges. Claim. 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 There you go. Reach day 10. Let's go, Lucas. Let's go. Where you, Lucas? Scavenger, okay. Look at me. I have a cool gas mask. Tignan mo, may gas mask akong cool. Okay. Oh, ba't na? Okay, let's go. Hindi naman na kailangan ng ng base. Ay yung ginawa ko eh. Hindi ako gumawa ng base eh. Alam mo kung nangyari? Nakaabot ako day 8. First run ko 'yon, first run ko 'yon. Oh, first run ko lang, first run. My first run. First time. Okay lang 'yan. So you can like swing that. Also there's lots of logs. What? Okay. So kapag mag-save tayo, Lucas. Okay. Huh? Diyan tayo kukuha ng mga rock. I don't know why. This, ha? Nasaan yung rock sapling? Okay, let's go. Mag-craft some level 2. So, ang kailangan natin, Lucas, is team highlight. Oh, para makita natin isa't isa. Wait, let me see kung nakikita talaga kita. Woo! I can see you! Okay, kuha ka wood. So I have a bandage. A bandage can heal but not revive a player. I know, little bro. So I opened the barn gates and Reddy should be here. Um, so how do I open it now? Good. Bro, there's nothing here. Good. Skill chest. Mini. What? I have a mini Uzi. I will shoot. I'm now in the hood, man. I'm in the hood. Yeah. Yeah, what's up, man? I'm in the hood. Yeah. Yeah, you can. Yo, come on. Come on. Yeah, yo, sir. Yeah. Bro got cake. Nah, little bro got cake. Should I put it here or here? Piso na lang. Okay. This is like Dead by Daylight. But the shotgun has a scope. Instead of like a swing. The zombies are coming. Or something. Chicken. What? Okay. Buksan na para tayo labas. I swear if one of these doors opens by itself. Okay, there's nothing useful here. Zombie, come here. Ow. May baril ka! Why do you need help, little bro? It's literally the simplest thing you can do. You have a weapon. Okay, oh heck no, oh heck no. Come over here. Get over here. I have an axe. I have a deadly axe. Thanks for opening the door for me. Now I will open this fridge for myself. Ooh. So I need to get the oil barrel, and now I got an oil barrel or something. Explosive barrel. Whatever. I don't know. So how fast does this shoot? How fast does this shoot, I said? Oh, okay, so it's good, yeah, it's good. There's this Lucas over there mining some trees. Elades e masobri un baile preso. Uzu? Yes, I have a Uzu. Uzui! Lucas, ba't di mo kinakolect yung mga wood? Seryoso? Puno na ako. I'm full. Oh, wait. mong galawin to Lucas. Yung mga ano. The zombies are coming. Hanap ka ng food. Ito, may berry oh. Wag yan. Okay. Never mind. Ito ay Mario. What? What? Ito, Lucas o MRE. Ito, Lucas o MRE. I just don't know how to access it. Ha? Ba't ka nag-build? Hindi na kailangan. I can't move. Ba't yung mga galaw? Tignan mo to. Abo! No! Okay. Okay, I might have made the mistake of not building. Oo. Guys, I suggest I'ma do it myself, Lucas. You can't. Extra, read all about it. Nothing. Wait, this is copyrighted, bro. Hindi. Doon ka na. Alam ko. Kunin mo yun. Ha? Bigay ko sa'yo mini Uzi ano. Gusto mo? Katana oh. Samurai ako, bakit? Bagal ka eh. You're slow. Shing! Sige, wait lang, halika. Bigay ko sa'yo yung ano. Uzi tsaka katana nga ni. Oh. 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 Extra, read all about it. Ito, meron ano dito, oh, bandage. Take it. Lucas, I think we might need more food. Utusan mo si Reddy na mag-ano ng wood. Good job. Extra, read all about it. Marcel. Oo. Hindi mamamatay siya. Di ba obvious? Wala na si Reddy. Di ba obvious? How do you even become gender neutral? Bawal. Also, why would you even need to build a car? You don't even know, you don't even have the exact parts. Extra, extra, on down. Huh? Nasaan ka? Nasaan ka? Ah, yun, nandun kay Bea. Kabila, kabilang bahay. Ano ba't ang bilis? So gusto mo mabagal? Mas mabilis shotgun. Kuha ka. Kumuha ka. Meron yan dyan. Then cook, Lucas. Cook. Ewan ko. Baliw mag-ano ka kasi, mag-kill ka ng rabbits. Or maghanap ka ng food. Ito, may carrot farm dito. Eyo. Na main entrance. Ha? Turret farm. Ito, ano ako ng chicken trap. Ito, meron na tayong carrots, oh. This spinach is actually a grow. Grow. Bro, this. Good. Kolektahin mo rin. Ha? Hindi pa. Maya. Maya. Oh, merong zombie horde. Yeah, I'ma close this door down. The little entrance. Oh, never mind. Chop 3, chop 3. Chop the trees. Ano? Bro. Oo. Iba't ibang tao, iba't ibang gawa. Ha? Anong guard base? Ewan ko sa'yo. Guys, oh. Back away, back off, back off, back off. Back off! Oh. So, let's go, pistol. Pro bag. Uy, pro bag. I got 23 now. Yon. Ewan ko. Where's the, So, there's another survivor that we're going to be saving the next day. Lucas, feed mo si ano, ready ah. I don't exactly know where it is. Because it's random. Something over here. Open. Let's go. Tibay naman nito manok na to. Okay, let's go. Run, just run. Run. Feed ready. Time to feed ready. Ready or not, here I come. Uh-oh. Hindi ko sinasadya. Ginagawa mo? Baliktad. Dude, we need more. Lucas, ba't mo inano? Kailangan pa natin ng level 3. Why would you do that, Lucas? We need level 3. Mag-chop ka ng trees. Oh no. Dang it. Kill everything and everyone. Why can't I click? What? What happened? What happened? What? No, what? What happened? What happened to my... Bro, I can't go back to that!